Hello, my name is Greg Hawkridge, and on behalf of myself and my fellow authors, I would like to present our HRI 2020 demonstrator paper titled Towards Shoestring Solutions for UK Manufacturing SMEs. To give some context, this work took place as part of the Digital Manufacturing on a Shoestring project. The aim of this project is to increase the digital capabilities of SMEs through the use of low-cost, easily accessible, off-the-shelf components. This project is rooted in the observation that many SMEs are hesitant to embrace digital manufacturing as they perceive it as being too expensive or too complicated. A core part of this project is an ongoing requirements gathering activity in which SMEs are asked to identify from a catalogue which digital manufacturing solutions are currently a high priority for them. In the figure, you can see the current top 5. From these results, we've seen that the implementation of automatic or robotic systems appears to be a low priority for UK SMEs at the moment. They appear to be far more focused on obtaining operational information. One of the aspects that regularly comes up when talking to SMEs about digital manufacturing solutions is the way in which their operators will interact with these systems. We have been looking at some low-cost off-the-shelf technologies that can be used to simplify this interaction and make it easy for users that are not necessarily familiar with computers or computerized systems. A prime example of this is voice interaction. We have 2 demonstrators that look at how voice interaction can be used with digital systems. The first looks at using voice commands to navigate a digital drawing. This links in with our number 3 solution in our ranking, which is the digitalization of work instructions. This type of system can be particularly useful for scenarios in which workers' hands are occupied, for example when welding, and they do not have the ability to move a mouse or operate a keyboard. The second demonstrator looks at using voice interaction to control an automated system. In this case, the automated system provides fasteners to an operator. We will now show a video that provides an overview of the second demonstrator. So this demo looks at using a digital voice assistant to help a worker through an assembly operation. So the idea is that a worker can ask the system for particular fasteners, be they nuts or bolts, and the system will then provide them with the correct one and give them some verbal feedback saying, your M5 nuts are ready. And this is something that's particularly of interest to companies because it makes their workers' jobs easier and hopefully reduces the number of errors that they make. Hopefully then improving productivity and improving the product quality. And so to achieve this, what I've used is an Amazon Echo Dot, that's obviously using the Alexa voice service to process these commands, and a sort of smart home relay that is providing I/O input into the PLC, which obviously represents the industrial components. And a key aspect of this is that we're using commercial off-the-shelf products in an industrial setting, and that's one of the focuses of this project. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to find out more, please visit us at the link shown.